The end.
Mama.
You want me to read this book
P.
about colors?
T.
Okay. All right.
Go.
Orange. Nemo. Pink. Squirts. The end. Read it again? Okay. This is a book about colors. Are you ready?
Go.
Orange. Nemo. Pink. Squirt. The end. I'll read it one more time. Are you ready?
Go.
This is a book about colors.
Yeah. Carrot.
Orange. Nemo.
Man whose life was
Pink.
completely destroyed
Squirts.
and stuff.
The end.
Mom.
Orange.
These in the movies section
Nemo.
and select cult
Pink.
classics. In the comedy
Squirts.
delivery man, Rock stars as an underachiever
The end.
whose life is forever changed when
Mom,
he's given
baby.
some unexpected news.
You want me to read it again?
Back up.
The book about colors? How many colors are in this book? Maybe 2? Okay, let's find out. Orange. Nemo. Pink. Squirts. The end. One more time with the book with 2 colors in it. Okay, you want me to read it slow? Okay, are you ready? Orange. Nemo. Pink. Squirts.